Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the new feature of ChatGPT, like how you can leverage OpenAI ChatGPT to scrap millions of email addresses using just one click, or this is actually an under 2-minute procedure. This is very easy. You can do that quite simply and efficiently. So let's just see how you can do that. So you can combine basically AI chatbots with AI email scrapping, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you can combine these two to get the maximum emails you need. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to create an IGLeads.io account. It's totally free. You can simply go to browser and sign up, and you can create that account within just a few seconds. And next step, let's just do that. So I'm about to go ahead and give you guys an example. So I'm just going to go ahead and ask them, give me similar hashtags of video marketing. I'm going to go ahead and click enter. It's going to give me multiple video marketing hashtags that I can pretty much just plug in into IGLeads.io. So I can just go ahead and go copy, come to IGLeads.io, paste, and I want 1,000 emails. So go ahead and let that search. And then I can go ahead and just pretty much copy and paste this and keep scrapping over and over. So I can go back here while we are doing hashtags. I can go ahead and pretty much input that I can ask for 1,000 emails, and pretty much I can do this with all social media platforms. It's that easy. You can use this chat to give you multiple options. You're not getting stuck, or you don't know what other similar hashtags they are. So now this works for Google website. You're going to ask them to give you similar websites. You can ask them as well to give you similar YouTube keywords as well. And as well as that, you can ask them to give you similar Twitter hashtags, Twitter keywords. You can use this to really get the maximum emails you need for your business. So this is why I love to combine these two platforms. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.